Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch account on Roblox PC application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox PC, and as you can see that there is no option to switch our account. And if we want to switch our account guys, we need to go to the Roblox website. So you need to visit the roblox.com. And here you will be able to switch your account. You can click on this gear icon or the setting icon, and then you will be able to switch your account here. Okay, and as you can see, I have logged into multiple accounts here, and if we want to switch, we just need to choose the account like this, and then my account will be switched to my second account on Roblox. Okay, this is my second account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to switch account on Roblox PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!